Hello everyone. In this video I want to tell you what's new functions we have in update of Nomad Sculpt 2.1. An important change was the appearance of a new tab, which is called Operation. Under this section, the developer has added a new icon in the form of a flask. And let's go to this section and see what is there. So here we can do a quick smoothing of the entire object or a part of the object selected by the mask. Let's quickly create a random volume and check it out. As we can see, this works super fast, and now it's faster than using the smooth tool. We can also now extrude out the selected area using Inflate. Now I'll show you how it works. Select the area using Mask tool. Now by moving the Inflate slider, we can adjust the extrusion of the surface. This is very cool and fast, and will be especially useful when modeling hard surfaces. Also, in the new version we have the ability to change parameters of a texture that has already been applied to the surface of a map. We can adjust the contrast, color and exposure, saturation of already applied textures on the surface. And most importantly, it works not only for the color channel, but also for roughness, metalness, and even opacity. It is very cool function. Now you don't need to apply the texture multiple times or change these settings in a third-party app like Procreate. Everything works in Nomad now. Next, a new randomize option was added for modifiers. It is a very powerful option for creating particle effects. With the help of sliders, we can adjust the location of our copies as we like. Control not only the size, but also the spread of objects and the rotation of objects. We also got a new synchronization feature, for instance. Let me show you how it works. We created two identical objects, and now we have the option to apply changes to the other object or not. To do this, we use the sync button. If we disable synchronization, then no changes will be made to other instances of the object. A very cool feature to customize the interface appeared in the new version. Now, in addition to the standard quick functions, the list has expanded with new functions. And there is no need to search for important functions while wandering around the app interface. And now you don't actually need to use the keyboard. In my work scenario, I took out switching the rendering modes. Matcap, PBR, unlit. You can also sort icons and even add your own favorite brushes. Forget about the routine addition of identical textures through the material section. Now you can copy material from one object to another. But this only works for assigning a texture. Let's assign random textures to one sphere. Now let's resize texture a little bit. And now we'll use the copy and paste buttons to copy the material to the other sphere. Great. Let's look at a very cool feature that will appear in future updates. To do this, I will use the free version of Nomad Online. By the way, if you want to test the app, this is the best solution. The link will be in the description. In future update, we will get new type of material. It's called Shadow Catcher. Let me show you how it works. Adding a plane. Now I have assigned the Shadow Catcher material to the plane. The plane doesn't show color or roughness, it just captures shadows. And that's great for rendering future works. Well, the main must-have things in Nomad Sculpt that appeared earlier is the ability to create catalogs for custom tools. Using the example of smart materials, you can see that I have created a separate folder in the Nomad Tools folder, which contains additional tools. You can also create tools and move them directly to the desired directory from Nomad. Let me show you how to do this. Let's duplicate the standard brush tool. And now when you click on the icon, we can move the tool to the previously created directory, or create a new directory and move the tool there. That's all for now. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.